Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm quite excited because I'm doing something different. I've not actually done swimwear shoots, the behind the scenes of a swimwear shoot before, and well I've been up all night watching videos and watching a lot of pictures, inspirational pictures, and should I say God being so good, because today is a Sunday, I didn't go to church. I'm here to come and shoot swimwear, but hey, so stick with me to the end of the video. Kindly watch what I do on set. Today I'll be using the Canon, not my Canon 5D Mark IV. I'll be using a Canon 6D with a 35 Sigma at 1.4, and maybe I'll change in between there. I'll use maybe the 50mm STM Canon lens or the 85 Sigma at lens, just depending on what we're doing. So I'm here in Olma suits, Olma Colonial suits here in Osu. I had to hit them up professionally to make it look like more professional, you understand, but it's a personal project. So yeah, before I leave, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and don't forget to comment down below if you don't get anything. Yes, down there I'll link everybody's handle down in the description below, the video guide, people assisting me today, and there's a happy year who is not happy. So yeah, so, and oh, this video is proudly sponsored by Fotoplays, right? Fotoplays is an online shop where they sell camera gears and all that. I shop at Fotoplays because of how affordable and how durable their products are. So I'll be using, I hit them up recently for their 105cm beauty dish. So I think I'll be using it in there to show you guys how I'll be shooting natural light today and off camera flash. So yeah, in between there, I'll show you guys what I do behind the scenes when I'm doing a swimwear shoot. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe like I said. All right, I'll see you during the shoot. Peace. Alright, so it's cloudy today. I didn't really want it to be cloudy. I wanted it to be very, very sunny. It's 8, roughly 9. I think it's 9:30 in the morning, right? And the sun is not out. So my settings for what I'm about to do right now, I have my ISO at 400, my temperature at the cloudy settings. I mentioned earlier that the picture profile doesn't really do anything because you're going to raw process it. I know this is our model for today. Well, we have two models for today though. So this, our first model, this is Tife. All right, so Tife, you can check it out on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram handle down in the description below. She's quite a bad texter, so you should get ready for that. All right, so let me just take some test shots, then we'll see where we can go from there. So yeah. I get on this. Let's see. So with the first test shot, I think my ISO, I want to bring it down. I'm shooting at f4. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I'm using a Canon 6D 35mm 1.4. Shooting at f4 because I want every detail in there. Yeah, beautiful. So before today's shoot, I actually showed Tife what I wanted. It's more like a mood board, right? So yeah. Beautiful. So I'm using a 35 because it's a swimwear, and I was actually looking for a wide, a 24 to 70, but I didn't get a 24 to 70. So the next option I could opt for was the 35, and maybe I'll use the 52. If it was a 24 to 70, I could zoom in, zoom out. All right. Beautiful. Try and tune up, right? So that I can get some of the light on your face. Chin up more. Yeah. Should have used my reflector here. Yeah, keep it beautiful. Oh, and whenever you're shooting, try and leave space for your Instagram crop. Wow.
You know, record. I record.
Beautiful.
Why if I put that size small?
Yeah, I like what you're doing right now, but chin up and look this way. Too far away. Bring it here. Bring it here. Yeah, okay, chin up. Hold on. Yeah, I like what you're doing right now. Now bring this leg up. Yeah, bring it up. Great. I want some attitude on the face, so don't look at me. Try and open your lips. Look away and all that. Get it? Yeah, keep that. That's nice. Beautiful. I really like this one. Yeah, I like that you're looking this way. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can I have you? So turn this way, okay? And try and hang the leg. No. I want you to sit up, right, and hang the leg over there.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me see if I can get you from the side. You can bring one leg up. Which one do you think you feel comfortable? The left or the right? Yeah. Beautiful. Try and look towards my direction. So right now I'm trying to add some foreground to the picture. See where I am? Adding some foreground. Alright, Tife. Beautiful. Adding to the frame. Kindly bring this arm forward a little bit. Great, beautiful. Look towards happy. Chin up, chin up, chin up. Beautiful. Why is she making you laugh? That's how they're looking. I like these ones. I forgot to mention earlier, I told you I'm doing this collaboration with no, I need a reflector side. No. Yeah. Yes, great.
Sure.
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm using the 50mm 1.8, shooting at f4.5. So I want everything to be sharp as possible. I'm getting too many shadows in there. Get closer. Get closer. Don't worry. The sun is not being able to. Okay, let me. Okay. Oh, keep that. I think. Viaopeimu. I beg if you take the 35 from me. Beautiful.
Okay. You put this up in the right. 800.
Alright, so let's do the long poses.
Yes, they'll give you
All right, let's try this again. This pose again. Let's do it again. Yeah. No, but you can change it. You can keep it. So when you're shooting, also have in mind the background you're shooting, right? So framing her in the way that I get those behind, they have to move this. Yeah, I like this stance more. So there's one you can pull this way and stretch. Yeah, actually stretch. I think if you stretch, I'll see it on your tummy. So tiptoe here. Oh, alright. So let the arm go. Yeah, beautiful. Keep it. Now, I want the arm one to be longer than the other.
Sweet on it.
Alright, I think I have my shot.
Alright.
Yeah, so let's change to the second outfit then.
Where are you saying again?
Oh yeah, we're going to the pool. I forgot about that.
Ready to go inside.
I'm not going inside, she'll go inside. Me, I'll shoot from afar. Sweating. Oh, our second model is getting ready. She's shining her body. Remove the necklace. I don't know who gave it to you, if it's your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Just remove it. We thank God. Your assistant is not being an assistant. She's making her whole business. Oh no. Okay, I think I want to take some here too. I would love if you should give me. No, not this. This posture I like. I'd love if you give me something like this. More like. Okay. No. No, but don't go inside. Yeah. Can you help me by removing, like, move the chairs to the side? Okay. So let me see. So now I have to change my settings because we are under the shade. I'll move it from F5 to F4, an ISO 640 and shutter speed of 250. Yeah, keep on moving it. Don't worry, we'll pay you. I think under the shade I would want to use light. Let me see. Because trying to use natural light, I'm not getting what I want. So you know what? Let me try and mount up my light, then we'll take it from there. Stop him. Let's see something. All right. So I'm using this as a fill for the shadowy area, right? Let me change. Okay, so if, like I said, our sponsor provided the 105, I'm using the beauty dish plate and the inner diffuser with the Godox V850 Mark II using Godox X2T. So this is off camera flash. But what you do with off camera flash is make sure, so I've turned off the trigger, make sure you expose for your surroundings, right? Then you add in the flash. So now the flash is at 1/8 and my settings are ISO 500. I think it's too much to your side. Oh, and don't forget to send an assistant to your event or whatever it is you're shooting. Kindly get closer to, like, take one step down. Yeah, let's see. I don't know, but I'm not getting my images to be as sharp as I want them. You want to give me, okay, please reflect from this here. Just Alright guys, so this is the third location with the second look. I got back to the room to try and edit and I realized my sound wasn't recording, so I had to do a recording, a voiceover for you guys to see. So I'm using photo box from Fotoplays, the 105 centimeter version. It's a beauty dish and also a softbox. So I took away the base plate in the beauty dish base plate in the box and it became just a softbox for me. I added I think I double diffused it with my V850 flash Mark II at flash power 1/16, and I used the Canon 5D Mark IV for this shoot. I used the Sigma at 851.4 and I think my settings was ISO 200 f2 and shutter speed 1/400. So looking at this, the model was quite frenzied because she said the water was very cold, so I had to quickly get some shots. And be careful guys, whenever you're shooting inside a pool side or you're shooting near water, make sure your camera is held very firmly so that you don't mess up your camera. So yeah, don't mind the shaky footage. I was shooting on a 6D this time around just because I wanted to use the Mark IV to grab some very cool portraits or very cool images from this part of the shoot. So yeah, basically that was it and I got done with the shoot. I was really glad I got very cool images because I had in mind how I wanted to color grade these pictures, and I hope you guys love what you saw. So before I leave, I have a discount code for you guys. I'll leave it down there for you guys to tap on it. You get a 5% discount off the photo box by Fotoplays. Just copy us because it's a very great box. So in all, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.